In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI images for your designs using Canva. If you've ever wanted to incorporate AI generated images into your projects, Canva makes it incredibly simple. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of templates, but for today, focus on accessing the AI image generator. On the left side of your screen, there's a toolbar with several options. Look for the one labeled AI Image Gen. If you have this option readily available, go ahead and click on it. However, if you don't spot it immediately, don't worry, it's still easy to access. Simply click on the Apps button in the toolbar. Once you do this, a search bar will appear. Type AI image into this search bar and you should see the AI image generator pop up as one of the options. Click on it to begin the process. Now that you have the AI image generator open, it's time to get creative. Think about the image you want to create. Consider elements like color, mood, and composition. Once you're ready, describe the image to the AI. There's a text box available for you to type in keywords and phrases that depict the image you imagine. For instance, if you want an image of a serene beach at sunset, describe it with words like calm beach, sunset, warm colors, gentle waves. The clearer and more detailed your description, the better the AI can understand and generate the image you're envisioning. Once you've finished typing your description, look for the Create button, usually found somewhere below the text box. Clicking this will prompt the AI to start generating the image based on the information you've provided. Depending on the complexity of your description and the speed of your internet connection, this might take a few moments. Be patient while the AI works its magic. And there you have it. Your AI generated image should now appear on your screen. From here you can further customize it if needed using Canva's wide range of editing tools. You can modify aspects like brightness, contrast, or apply filters to better align the image with your design needs. Once satisfied, you're free to use this image in your projects, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or any other design endeavor. By following these simple steps, you unlock a world of creative possibilities with AI-generated images. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, Canva's AI image generator is a fantastic tool that can help bring your visions to life with just a few clicks. Enjoy exploring and creating.